Hey guys, Sharon DeMonte here, your tastemaker from Winemaker's Pantry. Today I'm going to show you another great and easy recipe tip. We're going to make an aioli. Now, what's an aioli? It's just a flavored mayonnaise. I've got 5 super simple recipes on the website, 1 for each blend, and today we're going to use our Sauv Blanc pairing to make one that is going to be perfect for crudité, fresh crisp vegetables, and some cold shrimp. So let's get started. We're going to use a cup of mayonnaise. Just store-bought olive oil mayonnaise is all you need. You can make your own from scratch if you're feeling inclined, but you don't have to. We can just use this great one from the store. I'm going to put that in the bowl. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of fresh squeezed lime juice. Super important. Get that nice punch of flavor and acidity. And then the zest of 1 lime. So what's the zest? The zest is just the green part. It's got all the essential oils and gives you a lot of flavor for no kind of expense or effort. Get that in the bowl. And then we're going to add in a couple of dashes of some hot sauce. Your favorite brand is fine with me. And then most important of all, 1 tablespoon of your Sauv Blanc pairing from Winemaker's Pantry. And just add that into the bowl. And all you're going to do is stir this baby up. Just whisk it up. It's just so easy. And this sauce is so versatile, you can use it on everything. I mean, all aiolis really are very easy. You can use them on sandwiches, on grilled meats, as a salad dressing, as a dip like we're going to do today. Just taste it for seasoning. Really good. You can add in a little more salt, a little more hot sauce if you want, a little more spice blend if you want, or a little more lime juice. And then we're just going to go ahead and spoon that into a bowl. Couldn't be any easier than that, right? So now it's perfect for the crudité we have here. We've got some carrots, some celery, whatever you have on hand or whatever you want to get. Or drop it in. Nice little presentation here on some cold shrimp, pre-cooked. Got it at the seafood counter. I added a few thinly sliced lemon slices to make it look like I spent hours on this for my friends, but I didn't. 1, 2, 3, and done. Thanks for stopping in. Check out the website and we'll show you some more great tips.